Hello, what is up mga moms sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Flash, ang visual artist from Manila, and today we are going to customize the CT Toys Agent Venom. How are you mga moms sir, ma'am? Kumusta? Happy Thursday. Hello, how are you? Where are you from mga ma'am sir? Ma'am sir, ma'am. Customize lang natin to CT Toys Agent Venom. So if you open din pala tayo for Q&A. So if you have any questions, type nyo lang sa comment section. We are open for Q&A. How is the QC, boss? Teka. Panoorin ko lang yung live ko dito sa desktop para nakakasagot ako. Wait lang. Nakikita ko rin yung mga comments niya. Where is it? Ayun. Thank you for watching. CT Toys tayo ngayon mga ma'am sir. Lawrence Manyalax asks, how's the QC, boss? Ayos naman siya sir, wala naman sa akin loose joints. Actually meron akong full review nito sir, sasend ko rito sa chat natin. Wait lang. Full review. So you can watch sa sa YouTube sir. Wait lang sasend ko dito yung link. CT Toys Agent Venom and Anti-Venom. Meron akong Anti-Venom din dito. Shout out to Sir Brian dito sa Brian Juaniza. Sa kanya ko nakuha yung mga CT Toys natin. Okay, wait lang. There you go. Ayan sir, watch mo sa YouTube sir. Makikita mo lahat ng ginawa kong mga articulation, tapos per section, ina-analyze ko rin. Ito na siya ngayon nagda-dry brush tayo ng gunmetal or silver. Ay, steel pala. Kasi masyado siyang black. So, lagyan natin ng konting visual contrast. Masyado siyang black Too dark. So, lagyan natin ng additional steel para lumabas yung, ma-emphasize yung mga details, yung sculpt. Yan lalo na dito sa spikes, sa spiky areas. And if you want to watch the review, punta kayo sa YouTube channel ko mga ma'am sir. YouTube channel. Makikita nyo doon yung full review ng ating CT Toys na Agent Venom and Anti-Venom. So if you don't know about CT Toys is a bootleg company from China na gumagawa ng copies of Revoltech, Mafex, and SHF. So first time ko sila na-encounter sa Shopee. Meron silang ginawang Spider-Man 2099. So that's very nice too. Ang dami rin good reviews. Actually kukuha pa ako nun para ma-customize din natin. And then nung nalaman ko yun, wow, stig to, napakaganda ng bootleg. Kaya hindi ako kumukuha ng mga Revoltech na bootlegs kasi yung first na kuha ko na bootleg, Deadpool and Wolverine, medyo loose yung mga joints. Dito naman wala namang loose na mga joints. So this is very good. One of the best na CT Toys na action figure. So if you have the extra budget and if you want Anti-Venom, if you want to experience yung Revoltech designs, punta kayo sa Shopee and buy the CT Toys. Grabe, ang ganda. Buy it now. Meron lang silang issue with Marvel ngayon. Kasi sa Wolverine na Mafex na counterfeit or bootleg na figure, that's very nice too, and nasa radar na sila ng Marvel ngayon. So they changed the AliExpress listings. So lahat ng listings nila nasa ibang store na. So dati it's the official City Toys store sa AliExpress. Ngayon, nasa Funly Toy Store na sila. So, change store sila. So, sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung manufacturing ng mga toys. Kasi, usually, pag ganyan yung mga bootleg companies, sinasara nila yung pag wala silang rights to manufacture. Syempre, nasa legal issues yan. Sinasara nila yung shop, sinisira yung mga molds, para hindi na sila makagawa ulit. Pero sana hindi mangyari sa City Toys. Kasi ang ganda ng ginagawa nila eh. Katulad nung nangyari sa sa Dragon Momoko. Diba? Ang ganda nung ginagawa ng Dragon Momoko, tapos syempre mararadaran ka talaga ni Bandai. Marami pa naman din siyang kits na maganda yung gawa, yung manufacturing style or QC. Wala namang problema. Meron ako ng mga Supernova, Death Sight, yun. Ganda nun. Tapos, yun nga, nasa news na pina-shutdown yung company, yung headquarters. Sana hindi mangyari sa City Toys. Sinira lahat ng molds. That's way back. Tagal na rin siguro. May 10 years na rin siguro yun. Patrick Ocampo, how are you, sir? And if you want to buy some toys, punta kayo sa Secret Vault TV. Super nice mga binibenta ni Sir Patrick Ocampo. Secret Vault TV. So right now, I'm applying dry brushing dito sa action figures natin na City Toys. Yan, if you want to buy the KO Revoltech, grabe, ito na yun, City Toys. City Toys, get your City Toys now. Punta kayo sa Shopee, check out nyo na mga momsers, sobrang ganda. Grabe. Ito pa, meron pa akong isang City Toys. Ayan, wait lang Ayan. Tanggalin ko lang tong wire. Okay. So, pag hindi naka-dry brush, ganito yung appearance niya. Okay. Super black talaga. So, pag black, ayan. Ayan. Kapag black, medyo hindi defined yung sculpt. Yan. Nilalagyan lang natin ng konting sheen lang. Konting sheen lang. Ay! Sorry! Patrick Ocampo, I'm so sorry. Yeah, Patrick Ohastra pala yan. I'm so sorry, Sir Patrick Ocampo. Patrick Ocampo, shout out to you. Both na rin, Patrick Ohastro. Shout out to you, sir. I'm so sorry. Okay, my bad. Okay. So, balik tayo rito. City Toys. Ito yung original na paint job nila. Actually, yung paint lang dito ay itong white. Yung white nila, hindi siya plain white lang. Meron siyang pearlescent na quality. May pearlescent shine yung white nila. Tapos, yung gray plastic nila dito is the default. Colored plastic na yan. Pati itong mga parts na to, colored plastic na lahat yan. Except, dito yung gunmetal that's painted. This one is painted. This one is painted too. My bad, bro. So sorry, bro. So yun. Yun yung ating ginagawa ngayon. Nag-add tayo ng konting sheen. So yun, kung meron kayong mga tanong, type nyo lang sa comments yung mga questions nyo and I will answer. Lacey Dean, just stopped by to show my love for your work. Thanks for liking my attempt to emulate. Ooh, your Grey Hulk. Yeah, bro. Wait, let me get the Grey Hulk. So this one is another stock of Grey Hulk ready to be painted. So I just sprayed the clear primer, letting it cure. I'm letting it cure for about 2-3 hours before I paint it. Thank you very much, bro, Lacey Dean, for stopping by. Where are you from, bro? Grabe international yung ating live today. Marami tayong clients, marami tayong followers and friends from all over the world. Canada, Australia, States, USA, Canada, ano pa ba? Middle East. Recently, meron akong ipapadala na Batman statue sa Middle East, sa Dubai, Arizona. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. Greetings from Manila, Philippines to Arizona. So that's that. I have that's the second production of Greyhawk for a client. So let's just dry brush. So yung technique ng dry brushing, turo ko na din sa inyo habang nandito tayo. Ayan. Kuha lang tayo ng konti sa sa palette ng pink, and then ida-drag lang natin siya across the surface. Ayan. So lahat ng edges na malalagyan ng paint, or lahat ng mga nakaangat or naka-rise na mga parts, yun lang yung malalagyan ng paint. Ayan. Since dinadrag lang natin siya. Siyempre yung mga white magkakaroon din ng para battle damage or weathering. Kasi pag nag-dry brush tayo, magkakaroon din siya ng weathering. We have many friends. Yeah, bro, shout out to Lacy Dean from Arizona. We have friends from Phoenix, Arizona. I recently shipped some toys to Phoenix, Arizona, USA. Venom, Hulk, Spider-Man, Iron Man. So just stay tuned, bros. Stay tuned. We have lots and lots of projects to come. Thank you very much, bro, Lacy Dean. Right. Recently, I just finished the 3 Hawks. The gray, green, and red. This is the CT Toys Agent Venom, and also we have the Agent Anti-Venom. There you go, Agent Anti-Venom. Shout out to CT Toys. CT Toys for the win. You can order this via AliExpress or Shopee. If you are from the United States, you can order via AliExpress. If you're from Manila, you can order via Shopee. Thank you, bro. Really love your work too, bro. Lacy Dean. Do this very, very fast. All right. Shout out to Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for providing the paints for our projects. Thank you very much for sending yung mga request ko ng mga paints. Super ganda ng mga paints ng Hero Paints. Go buy it if you want to try some custom repaints sa mga toys, sa mga hobbies nyo. Do it. I really recommend Hero Paints. Thank you very much for your sponsorship. Shoutout sa mga sponsors natin: Laro Anan, Hero Paints, Blockies, YOLO Park, Savior Cool, Hobby Lair PH, and Bro Depot. Okay. Yan po yung head nila. All right. Ito pa yung iba. Dalawang sets ng agent ng anti-venom yung i-customize natin yan. Yung anti-venom sa susunod na to. Pero sinasabay ko na rin yan sa mga projects natin. Ngayon, para hindi tayo makuwari no, meron tayong head sculpt na pinipaint.
Isang bolsoy.
Ayos naman.
Sabi mo,
Kaya nga.
pinasalit mo eh.
Need some...
Hear me out.
Okay, one way para makapag-paint tayo ng mas madali. Kuwari na meron kayong mga head sculpts. Kuha lang kayo ng paint bottle, lagyan nyo na. Kasi usually itong cover, nag-spin kasi to. Kaya nilalagyan ko ng tape para hindi siya umiikot. Okay? Ito yung gagawin nating holder ng mga pieces para hindi siya gumalaw. Ayan. Tapos, kuha lang kayo ng blue tack. Wala kayo ng blue tack. And then i-attach nyo yung i-paint nyo na part doon sa pinaka-tip nung bottle cap. Yan, para mas madali. Nahawakan nyo yung base. Tapos pwede nyo i-twist. Pwede nyo i-maneuver. Kasi pag ganito, pwede namang mapinturahan. Pwede nyo rin gamitin yung mga alligator clips. You can also use the alligator clips for maneuvering while painting. Pero sa akin ito yung preferred ko. Yan. Para mas matibay yung base, diba? Mas nakikita natin. Pwede tayong mag-paint while turning the piece, okay? Or the part. Lazy Dean says, I love AliExpress. I was worried that the site was kind of shady, but I just got my CT Toys Spider-Man 2099 in, and he's awesome. Yeah, bro, AliExpress is very nice. Just take note that the CT Toy Store changed their official store. It's Funly Toy Store, I think. So order there, and the previous official site of the CT Toys in the AliExpress website is, I think, already gone, because they are, I think, Marvel. Yeah, they have some legal issues with Marvel right now, and they have to take down all their Twitter posts. They have to change the name of their store. So I think they're undergoing some legal and copyright issues. So I'm hoping that City Toys continues to manufacture all of these very, very nice bootleg figures. Yeah, I think I should order the Spider 2099 soon. That's in my City Toys wish list. Spider-Man 2099. Interesting. Trying to keep ahead of the lawyers. Well, I think all eyes on them. All eyes are on City Toys right now because of their Wolverine brown suit action figure that's very, very nice. All eyes on them. Like Mafex, SHF, Revoltech, all of the companies that they're copied, all of the people marketing on the marketing side and the legal side of those companies, I think they are studying about the City Toy situation. But let's see. I don't want to go deep on that kind of information or that story, but let's just customize this City Toys Agent Venom right now. This is very, very cool. If you have the extra funds, go buy them. Only $25 each. So you have right now there's a City Toys Spider-Man 2099, Tobey Maguire, the black suit Spider-Man. The Agent Venom is very cool. Agent Venom is very cool. Agent Anti-Venom is very cool too. So that's the opposite color. The opposite of Agent Venom is the white version. The white version, Agent Anti-Venom. So I have a full review in my uploaded in my YouTube channel, Ralph Cifra. I have the link in the chat. Okay, Charlie Tan says, well, Chinese company yan at legal ang bootleg sa China. Yes, I agree. But sana hindi mangyari yung nangyari sa DM, sa Dragon Momoko. Charlie Tan says walang magagawa yung Marvel dyan. We don't know. Lazy Dean, bootlegs are great, especially if you aren't trying to resell them. They're perfect for customs too. Yes, I agree, bro. Lazy Dean. Shout out to you again. Shout out to all of my followers, my international friends residing in the US, Arizona, and also my friends here sa Philippines, Manila, Philippines. Thank you very much for supporting Ralph Cifra Toy Customs. I will create more for my clients. I will create more tutorials, more toy customs, more unboxing reviews, and toy tours. Thank you very much for your support. Yung YouTube natin, nasa 24,500. I think 500 na tayo, or going to 500. Facebook is 15,000. TikTok around 3K maybe. And Instagram around 3K. So that's our following stats, or Facebook or social media stats rather. Thank you very much for all of your support. Thank you sa mga nanonood ng live ngayon. Maraming salamat. I know you have so much things to do. Pero yun mga ma'am sir, dinemo ko lang yung pag-add ng dry brushing technique sa Agent Anti-Venom natin. So I just wanna check in. Charlie Tan says, meron ba bagong store sa AliExpress? Yes, that's Funly Toy Store. Yes. I hope this is not the end for City Toys, no? So, kaya rin ako napabili kasi, yun nga, ayokong magkaroon ng shortage ng stocks. Kasi dati, yung sa Dragon Momoko, na-experience ko na rin yun, first hand, na meron ako mga kits, and then, hindi na sila nag-produce ulit. Sinira yung mga molds. Siyempre, pwede nila gawin yun na gumawa ulit. Pero nag-decide sila na, hindi na. So, Sana hindi mangyari sa City Toys yun. And sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Sana i-continue the bootleg production. Kasi sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng ginagawa nila. Pero syempre, since bootleg to, hindi depende na sa inyo yun. Ako preference ko lang talagang bumili. So depende na yun sa inyo. Hindi ko siya um, hindi ko nire-refer or I don't patronize bootlegs, pero gusto ko ma-experience. Gusto ko ma-review para sa inyo. Gusto ko ma-review ano ba yung ginagawa ng mga toy companies. So if you want to experience that too, you can buy, di ba? Sa inyo naman yun eh. Decision nyo naman yun, di ba? So yun, ako decision ko to na bumili. Decision ko to na mag-try ng Revoltech na bootleg. Kasi yung first na Revoltech na bootleg ko, Deadpool and Wolverine, that's very flimsy, not good. So hindi na ako bumili. That's way back, 2012, 2013. Di na ako nag-try ulit. Pero ngayon, yun nga, nang nalaman ko na, gumagawa sila ng bootleg na Revoltech. At first, sobrang tinitingnan ko lang syempre na, tapos nakita ko sa YouTube, ang daming good reviews. Kaya, bumili rin ako. Gusto kong matry talaga. Charlie Tan says, nga pala sir, any tips para di nagka-crack yung paint kapag nagre-repaint na figure at ano magandang gawin para di siya nare-remove? Actually, hindi mo naman kailangan i-paint lahat ng mga joints. Kasi kunwari dito, yan Yan, meron siyang paint. Kung may space dito, may clearance, you don't have to worry about paint cracking. Kasi kaya lang naman nagka-crack yung paint dahil dun sa constant na friction between surfaces. So kung merong space dito, wala kang problema. Hindi ka mag-worry about paint scratches or paint knobs. Pero kung intentional mo talagang siyang kasi kaya lalaruin talaga ng without care, syempre magagasgas yun. So ang ginagawa ko dyan, apply very thin layers of paint. Thin layers. Multiple thin layers of paint. Katulad nito, super thin lang ng clear primer. Super thin lang din ng pagkaka-dry brush ko dito. And then I will let it cure. Kung gusto mo pa mag-add ng colors, let the layer cure first and then add. Let the layer cure, add. So for faster curing or for faster drying, gumagamit ako ng hair blower, yun. So that's it. Meron pa ba kayong mga questions? Ako, yun nga, apply lang thinly, very thinly. Apply paints very thin. Lalong-lalo na dun sa mga joints. Kasi pag thick yung application, doon nagkakaroon ng, tapos hindi mo na cure, doon talaga magkakaroon ng paint scratches tsaka paint rubs, lalong-lalo na dyan sa mga elbows, kung saan gumagalaw yung mga parts. Kasi pag di mo naman ginalaw mga statue, di ba? Wala namang joints yun. So, mas safe ka sa hindi naman nag-articulate. Pwede may mga switch outs, pero yung switch outs pre-post na yun, di ba? Pero dito sa mga nag-articulate na mga figures, be very careful din sa pag-apply ng paint dito. Yan, sa part na yan. Yan. Pwede mo namang apply ng paint pero yun nga, very thin lang. Tsaka let it cure. Diba? Let it cure. Yan, be very patient sa pag-apply ng mga paint. Sorry, dito. Yan, Yan, tinanggal ko lang to. Nasa ball joint lang pala to. Tapos, very thinly, very thin layers of paint lang din na-apply ko. I'm just dragging the paint across the surface. So yun, that's it. Meron pa ba kayong mga questions mga ma'am sir? At least napakita ko rin kung, ayan, nasagot ko rin yung mga questions nyo. Thank you very much sa pag-tune in dito sa ating live. Pero kung talagang walang clearance yung mga joints, kailangan mo mag-sand. You need to sand yung surface. Thank you sir. At least ba palagi yung sealant, nakakadagdag ba siya ng strength? Yes, it protects your paint job. Ako ginagawa ko dalawa. Siya yung clear primer ko, yung Bosny Flat Clear. Siya yung nag-act as my clear primer. So nagbaband na yan sa surface. And yan din yung ginagamit kong flat clear coat. Si Venom yung ginagawa kong custom, gumagamit ako ng gloss. Pero for everything else, I prefer matte. Hindi ko preferred yung gloss finish sa mga toys. Kasi mas gusto kong, ang preference ko sa mga toy customs, may weathering, may level of weathering. Hindi ako gumagawa ng super clean na paint jobs. Lahat may level of weathering. So dito, meron tayong extra step kasi sa comic book repaint. Ito yung, kasi gagawin natin comic book style yan eh. Yan, clear primer para hindi na mabago yung base color ng figure. Nandito tayo ngayon sa gitna bago mag shadows dito. Yung dry brushing. Yan, dry brushing. Tapos sunod mag-apply tayong shadows, highlights 1, highlights 2, line art, tsaka top coat. So yun. Yun sir, sealant Bosny Flat Clear. Yun yung ginagamit ko sir. Okay. Ayaw nang bumalik wait lang. Okay, yun. Shoulder armor lang naman yun eh. Yan, sa dalawa to. Yan, nakadalawa na rin tayo. Okay. Tapos na, dalawang set ng kamay. Done na rin. Dalawang set ng body. Nasaan yung ulo? Ito. Bosny yung ginagamit ko sir. Spray paint yun, Bosny. Flat Clear. That's my favorite. Flat Clear. Ano yun sir ingat lang sa paggamit nun. Testingin mo muna kasi minsan yung ibang paint nagre-react dun eh. Testingin nyo muna. Test muna before you apply it sa pinaka figures nyo. You can do some tests sa papel, sa spoon, sa plastic spoon para alam nyo yung reaction ng paint dun sa sealant. Kasi chemicals yan eh. Lahat naman may chemicals. So magkakaroon niya ng mga chemical reactions. So yun, any more questions before we end the live streaming? Para makagawa na rin kayo ng mga sarili niyong mga projects, or you can relax, you can do some gaming, spend time with your family, with your girlfriend, boyfriend, spend time with your loved ones. Ito pa, marami pang tentacles dito. Sobrang ganda nitong anti-venom. Alright, that's it. Ito, kulayin ko na lang din to. Tatlo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Asan yung iba? Wait lang, may nawawala akong ano. Yun. Ito, dami. Isang set. Ito. Wait lang, kailangan ko itong itabi. Lahat ng anti-venom nasa right, lahat ng agent venom nandito sa left. Okay, this one, kamay. Malapit na Toy-Con mga ma'am sir ha, Toy-Con, December. Saan nga pala? I think it's sa Mall of Asia. Yan. SMX. Teka nga, shake ko nga ito. Ito yung ginagamit kong paint ngayon, Vallejo Metal Color Steel. Yan. Okay, sige sir. GGG. Sige, tapusin ko lang din to. Sige, naka-live pa naman ako eh. You can ask away anything you want. Yan, sa mga ibang viewers din, maraming salamat. Tapusin ko lang din to. Para lahat ng tentacles ni Agent Venom, nagawa ko na rin. Parang lightning tong design na to. Ganda. Noong una nga, hindi ko alam na ano to, na pinagdudugtong pala to. Na-attach kasi sa likod to eh. So, and last time, itong peg na to, manipis lang. Hindi ko alam na alam ko i-attach dito. Pero hindi ko alam na ito palang part na to, dudugtong mo pa bago i-attach dito sa likod. Yan. Ganun pala yun. Okay. Gumagamit din ako ng mas malaking brush. Para mas marami yung real estate na lalagyan natin ng paint. Okay. Sige, tapusin na muna natin to. Thank you very much for watching. Meron pa ba kayong ibang mga questions mga ma'am sir? Alright, kung wala na, pwede na tayo mag-end live. Thank you very much Yan, CT Toys. Grabe yung lupit. Yan, kung meron kayong extra cash, buy nyo na yung mga CT Toys kasi ganda niya. Try nyo ma-experience din na Revoltech KO. This is a KO figure. This is a knockoff. Yeah, if you want to experience it, then G